Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So welcome to our this video in which we will introduce you to our tool for ABAPA. Being an ABAPA in SAP, if you have the VBA skills as well, so you can combine the both things, means your expertise in the VBA and join uh, with your experience in SAP, you can make so many automations and so many uh, means time saving tools and utilities you can be developed by you, and you can make your life easy by using the automation, right? So this is an example. I'm going to show you that as in our previous videos, you have seen that we set up our SAP logon credentials here, and then we log on to SAP, right? And once we are logged on, so we normally get to the SAP easy access, right? Okay. And then we have module wise, we have set up this index, and this index uh, help you segregate your module wise activities which you frequently do, which you need to do on daily basis or as frequently basis. So this is a matter of, for example, this entry tells you that this is a data browser called and it is the Mara table, and open it with SE16, not SE38, right? SE38 is for the buffer program and for example, right? SE16. Okay. So here in this you will get right? And here you will say, for example, you want to see the Mara or the T02, and you can add further the tables, whatever you want. Let's suppose you want to see this material group table that is T023. So the system has automatically took the object T023 and the T code is as a, so it's the same object. This is okay. So when this message comes, it means you got to relog into SAP. So no problem. Still you can do it. So it is logging it to you, and you better click this so that all other sessions are gone. Okay. Okay. So this is how we check. Now we have selected this object. We want to execute this data browser for T023, which is a material group uh, related thing. Table. It's a table showing you a material group, right? Material group, and its description is somewhere here. Okay, the material group. Yeah. Okay, so we click OK here. We can cancel, and we can remove this in order to. We do not want to limit our selection. We want every hit to come. Okay, to be shown. Okay, so let's click this, and so this is going to display all the material groups what you have, and their descriptions are also here probably. Yeah, these are the material is accommodation, airfare, the wind instrument, accessories, Indian instrument, etc. In direct group 2, group 1, IT services. All these are the item categories which are available. You can see them. Okay. So let's get back to our solution criteria, and we get back to Excel Excel must be showing you the OK signs that you have gone through it. It's like OK, process complete. Uh, let's with the same session we ask our tool to take us to the Mara. Right, Mara. Mara is the material management frequently used table. So it is once this OK is coming, so without clicking OK, you can go to uh, SAP, which it has made everything ready for you, telling you that these are the selection criteria available. You can add more selection criteria if you are interested, right? And then you can display everything in the Mara by clicking them. All these materials is a matter is the material code, right? So you have all these things. You have these are the listing of them, and this MATKL is the material group. This is the type material type. FERT is for the finished good, right? So these are all the browsing you can do for any table, right? So it loads you, it saves you time to go to get to a certain, because being a webper, you would always need to know the field name, etc. for us. So go to the browser, check that uh, and do the ABAP work, whatever you want to step achieve, right? Okay, so this is how we do it. All you need to do is select the material, the module, and then select the object. For example, you want uh, to see this one, for example, material Z28. Okay, so it is going to list you down all the material list of and this is a ZEMJI. This is the ABAP procedure, right? Or ABAP routine executable, right? So it is going to execute and display the option so that you can go and view the outcome. So this is the Z2A fashion sorted, right? Material list available here, right? And 2,746 items have been shown, right? Okay, so you can get click exit from back to see the code, and if you want to make changes, then you will click this edit button, right? So that it changes it, and then you can make certain fine tuning of the or add enhancement or add some more table and related to etc. So many things you can do, right? So all we wanted you to see that VBA is the key tool for you. If you utilize them, it is going to do a lot of things for you automatically, and it will prove to be a necessary tool for you, right? And it is organizing all your work in module wise, and with a click of button, with just make a selection, it will take you. And you want uh, get your account, SAP account logged for incorrect attempt of password. Right? Since the system will not make any typing mistake. So so, uh, So this prevents you from this prevents your account to be logged for unsuccessful. Also, it automates your things, your in SAP activities. Okay, thank you very much for watching.